Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your display name in the Whatnot app. If you want to update your profile name to something more personal or memorable, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and easy-to-follow way. First, open the Whatnot app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then, click on the View Profile button. After that, you will see an Edit Profile option. Click on it to make changes to your profile settings. This will allow you to make changes to your display name, profile picture, and other settings. Now, in the display name field, enter the new name that you want to use. Make sure it reflects how you want others to see you on Whatnot. Once you have typed your new display name, finally click on Save at the top right corner of the screen. Your display name will now be updated and visible to other users immediately. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.